and then at the same time, notice the way your feet feel.
Say that it's a little confusing, like using the roadway only. Well, does that mean I can't go like at all? But no, this is fine.
And then you put it into reverse.
So change the gear first.
Yeah, and crank it all the way to the right before you move and signal right. Then you'll check around your vehicle 360 degrees and just back up as little as you need to. And that's good. And into drive, then crank it all the way to the left and signal left. There you go.
That feels more natural.
We'll do another one so that
While you're sitting and then resting
we'll
on the
make
floor.
a left turn here then.
And also think about how your arms feel. That's 7 things now.
And then a right turn coming up.
The sound of my voice. The weight of
We'll
your
use
head.
the same spot where you pulled over
The
before.
music playing in the background.
In the gravel, 2 tires right in the gravel. Yep. Okay.
So to drive.
You feel the steer tires
And
just
then
drop
at the
into the
same
gravel,
time-
that's what you want.
Okay.
Notice the way your feet feel. Whether you're lying on a bed.
Nice, there you go. No problem.
Whether you're sitting and then resting on the floor.
And then we're going to turn left at the stop sign.
And also think about how your arms feel. That's 7 things now. The sound of my voice. The weight of your head. The music playing in the background.
Left turn here. And your first right turn.